How to remotely erase a stolen Apple Watch.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to tackle a critical topic that many Apple Watch users might encounter: how to remotely erase or reset your stolen Apple Watch. This is an important feature to know, as it can help protect your personal information if your watch gets lost or stolen.
Why should I remotely erase my stolen Apple Watch?
When your Apple Watch is stolen, it might contain personal information that you wouldn't want in the hands of a stranger. By remotely erasing your Apple Watch, you're preventing unauthorized access to your personal data, apps, and settings. This is crucial to ensure your privacy and security.
What do I need before I can remotely erase my Apple Watch?
Before you can remotely erase your Apple Watch, there are a few things you need to have. 1. Apple ID and password. This is the same information you use to log into iCloud and Apple services. 2. Access to iCloud.com or the Find My app. You can use a computer, iPhone, or iPad to access these. Please note, Find My must have been enabled on your Apple Watch before it was lost or stolen.
How do I remotely erase my stolen Apple Watch?
Here are the steps to erase your Apple Watch. 1. Sign in to iCloud.com/find with your Apple ID. Or alternatively, open the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad. 2. Choose All Devices, and then select your Apple Watch from the list. 3. Click Erase Apple Watch, and then confirm your decision. Depending on your settings, you might need to enter your Apple ID password or device passcode before you can confirm the erasure. 4. If you have Activation Lock enabled, you'll need to enter your Apple ID and password after erasing to use the Apple Watch again. This acts as an additional layer of security, deterring anyone else from using your device. Please note, once you erase your Apple Watch, you won't be able to track it via Find My. So, make sure you've exhausted all options to recover it before choosing to erase. In conclusion, knowing how to remotely erase your stolen Apple Watch is a crucial skill for ensuring your privacy and security. While we hope you'll never have to use this feature, it's important to be prepared for all possible scenarios. Stay safe, and remember to always keep your devices secure.